Beautiful. Oops. Beautiful. Oops. Oops. Torn piece of paper. Just the beginning. Every spill has lots of possibilities. We're missing this one.
Good job, Will. Good job. Keep going.
Daddy, we're missing this one.
Oh, there's nothing there. You can turn the page. You can close that up and turn the page. Go ahead, buddy. Keep reading. Turn the page and keep reading.
Okay. Daddy, I'm skipping a page.
There we go.
That looks like... Daddy, that...
What does it say? What does that say?
Oops.
Bent
Paper.
paper.
Daddy, that looks like... Daddy...
Turn the page. What is it?
That's kind of silly.
Uh-huh. Let's turn the page. What is it?
No, Daddy. This. Like that, Daddy.
Okay, let's read it. Let's read it.
Bent paper is just the beginning.
It's something to celebrate.
No. Wait.
What's this say? A little drip of paint.
What's your imagination run wild?
Good job.
A scrap of paper can be fun to play with.
All right.
Smudge or smear can make magic appear.
Good job.
Same has potential if you play with its shape.
Good job, Will.
Daddy, Maddie tore the coffee cup.
That's okay. I fixed it.
Daddy, did Maddie tore the coffee cup?
One of you guys did. You can keep reading. I fixed it. It's okay.
Daddy, did Maddie tore the coffee cup?
Did Maddie tear it or did you tear it?
Maddie did.
Okay. Well, I fixed it, so it's okay.
Holding your paper, it worth exploring. See? Daddy, I didn't hoard a book.
Good.
When you think I've made a mistake, oops. Daddy, what does this spell?
It says, think of it as an opportunity to make something
Beautiful!
beautiful. Good job, Will. Is that the end?
Yeah.
That's the end. Good job.